You just found the 2019 Toyota Tacoma. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take your spirit of adventure with you into town or off-road when you're at the wheel of this versatile Tacoma. With a reputation for ruggedness and a suite of driver assistance features to keep you focused, this midsize pickup has you covered. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, fog lamps, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, backup camera, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls. Feel confident on the road or trail in this capable Tacoma. Come in and take it out for a spin. We're here to make your test drive experience the best it can be.